starts super early, and it's kind of crazy. There's so many people outside waiting to get on buses. There's no one in line. I got a feeling we're probably going to be sitting somewhere for a while waiting to get on the boat. Because there's just no way we're going to just walk right on and barely stand in line. They're still setting up the metal detectors. So yeah, we're gonna stand here for a little while, I think. Hey, welcome. If you're new around here, we're Will and Kara, and we want to show you why we're constantly cruising. Alright, it took us about 50 minutes. We stood in line from 9 to 9:50 and headed up, standing in the middle of the road. Quickly through security. Not bad. Alright, 10:02. That didn't take as long as we thought. So, 50 minutes downstairs, and then it took 10 minutes up here. Quick walk through, and we are on our way to the
Elite Lounge.
Elite Lounge. So, here we go. Hello, hello.
Do you want a picture?
Sure, wow.
Sure, let's do it. Why not?
Not on the rise. You're the first one.
All right.
One for you.
All right. Took some pictures, which we rarely do.
Yes.
Elite Lounge. If you're picturing something where there's plush couches and a barista ready to give you a fresh coffee,
Not gonna happen.
not quite. Where do you want to sit, babe? Did they have coffee? Just water.
Mm-hmm. There's juice.
They actually have coffee. All right, we are through. It is 10:31. It was actually a pretty decent little lounge. They had coffee and water, juice, and then they had some snacks, like danishes, cookies, all that kind of good stuff. We are walking onto the ship.
Anyone? Yeah, your choice.
We are actually first in line. Crazy? Yeah, crazy. Morning. Thank you. All right. Where you want to go?
Put our bag down.
Back down already?
Yeah.
All right. This feels very weird because there's no one on this boat. Down, bro. We're going up.
I want to put my bag down in the room.
If that's
It's
even
heavy.
possible, it's very early.
I know, I'm just dropping and going.
Just so everyone's clear, I told her not to bring such a heavy bag.
I know. I never listen.
Say that one more time.
I never listen. That's not true.
I like this.